Hey everyone, so in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Outlook sync issues in 2025. Easy fix. So there can be multiple reasons for the syncing issue. So first of all, you need to check your network connection if it's okay or not. As you can see, I am using a Ethernet cable directly to my PC, so my connection is good to go. You can also check your internet browsing if working correctly or not. You can if it's okay and stuff, you can also check if you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, if the Wi-Fi network is has uh, the proper uh, data transferring rate or not, and if everything is okay, then you can see the second method to fix the problem. You can just go to Windows and search for apps, and it will take you to the apps, and after that you have to click on selected installed apps, and you just have to simply look for your Outlook uh, app from here, and you have to check for if it's correctly updated or not. If it's not updated, you just have to update the software to the latest update, and even if this way not works with you, then you can just go to your Outlook account, and as you can see on the upper right corner, the settings option, you just have to click on here and go to the general option, and you can go to the accounts option, and you can see there's the option called storage. You have to look for if your storage is full. If your storage has become full, the syncing uh, can be cause a error, cause if there is no storage left, so they cannot update and sync all your data with your Outlook account. So you have to uh, get more storage, and if you don't want to get more storage, you just can remove some files or email or anything you have storage stored in your storage. Just clear it and make some space, and it will fix your problem with the syncing. And that's it for today. See you on the next video.